Achieve flawless skin. Toners tips for a radiant complexion. Regarding skincare, toners often need to be understood and noticed. However, this versatile product can be a game changer for those seeking flawless, radiant skin. By refining pores, balancing your skin's pH, and prepping it for other products, a good toner is an essential step in any effective skincare routine. Here's how to make the most of your toner with practical tips for achieving a flawless complexion. What does a toner do for your skin? Toners are lightweight, fast-absorbing liquids designed to remove traces of dirt, oil, and makeup after cleansing. Balance the skin's natural pH levels. Provide hydration or exfoliation, depending on the formula. Prep the skin to absorb serums and moisturizers better. With the right toner, you can address various skin concerns, from dryness to oiliness, making it a versatile tool in your skincare arsenal. How to choose the right toner for flawless skin. Understand your skin type. Selecting a toner tailored to your skin type is crucial. Oily skin. Look for toners with astringent ingredients like witch hazel or tea tree oil to control sebum. Dry skin. Opt for hydrating toners with ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. Sensitive skin. Choose alcohol-free and fragrance-free toners with soothing ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera. Combination skin. Use balancing toners that address both dryness and oiliness. Target specific concerns. Salicylic acid and niacinamide can help unclog pores and reduce inflammation for acne-prone skin. For dullness, glycolic acid or lactic acid-based toners exfoliate and brighten the skin. Antioxidants like vitamin C or green tea extract can fight free radicals and improve elasticity for aging skin. Toner application tips for maximum benefits. Cleanse first. Always start with a freshly cleansed face. Toners are most effective when applied to clean skin, free from dirt and oil. Use the right amount. Pour a small amount onto a cotton pad or your palms, just enough to cover your face without dripping. Apply gently. If using a cotton pad, swipe it across your skin in upward motions. If using your hands, gently pat the toner onto your skin. Focus on problem areas. Attention areas prone to oiliness, breakouts, or enlarged pores, such as the T-zone. Don't forget your neck. Extend the application to your neck to ensure even skin tone and care. When to use a toner. Toners can be used twice daily, morning and evening, after cleansing and before applying serums or moisturizers. However, if you're using a toner with active ingredients like acids, start once a day to avoid over-exfoliation. Common toner mistakes. To avoid skipping sunscreen after exfoliating toners. Exfoliating toners make your skin more sensitive to UV rays. Always apply sunscreen in the morning. Using too much product. Overusing toner can lead to dryness or irritation. A little goes a long way. Choosing harsh formulas. Avoid alcohol-based toners, which can strip your skin of natural oils and disrupt its barrier. DIY toner alternatives. For a natural touch, you can create your toner using simple ingredients. Green tea toner. Brew green tea, let it cool, and use it as a calming antioxidant toner. Rosewater toner. Rosewater is hydrating and soothing, perfect for sensitive skin. Apple cider vinegar toner. Dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water to balance pH and combat acne. Patch test first. The role of toners in a flawless skin routine. Toners are the foundation for your skincare routine. They bridge the gap between cleansing and moisturizing. Removing impurities and prepping your skin enhances the effectiveness of the products you apply afterward. Final thoughts. Toners are more than just a skincare luxury, they're vital to achieving flawless skin. Whether you're looking to hydrate, balance, or exfoliate, there's a toner for every skin type and concern. With the right product and proper application, you can unlock the full potential of your skincare routine and enjoy a glowing, healthy complexion.